70 my 4K T800 Dashcam review. Triple lens, zero blind spots, total peace of mind. You know that quiet dread after a parking lot scratch and no one left a note? Or that moment a car cuts you off and you think, I wish I had that on camera. Most drivers feel exposed out there, relying on memory and luck when things go wrong. Sound familiar? Drop a yes in the comments if your current setup just is not cutting it anymore. Here is what nobody says out loud. Single lens cameras miss the rear hit. Basic night vision smears license plates into blurs. And parking mode that drains your battery is basically useless. One rideshare driver spent 3 weeks fighting an insurance claim with blurry footage that proved nothing. Exhausting does not even cover it. But the right camera changes all of that, quietly and completely. Then I installed the 70 my 4K T800 3-channel dashcam and everything got stupidly quiet. Not the cabin, my anxiety about driving without real protection. Do not just buy any dashcam. Make sure it has dual Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensors so you never suffer from blurry, unusable night footage again. The 70 my 4K T800 3-channel dashcam records simultaneous 4K front, 4K rear, and 1080p interior, covering every angle with zero compromise. Night Owl Vision reduces glare and noise so aggressively that license plates read clean, even on unlit streets. My Color Vivid Plus sharpens road signs through windshield glare like it is cheating. A friend parked downtown overnight and found a dent the next morning. His old cam caught nothing useful. The T800 user next to him had full AI motion detection footage with a 3-minute pre-collision buffer already locked in the emergency folder. The supercapacitor handles temperatures from -40 to 85 degrees Celsius, silently, reliably, always on. There is a bonus setting inside the 70 my app that most owners never find, and it completely changes how parking alerts reach your phone. Here is where the 70 my 4K T800 3-channel dashcam stops being impressive and starts being genuinely difficult to argue with. A senior tech reviewer at TechRadar called it their current premium pick, replacing the previous top-rated model entirely, praising the complete coverage and full suite of 24/7 parking features. An automotive specialist at AutoGuide confirmed the Sony Starvis 2 technology captures individual license plate numbers clearly across all lighting conditions. A fleet manager quietly deployed the T800 across multiple vehicles and described the remote monitoring as invaluable for accountability. Then there was the rideshare driver, who said the interior IR camera documented a passenger dispute so clearly it resolved the complaint the same day. That is not a sales pitch. That is just what happens when the hardware is genuinely this capable. Which part matters most to you right now? Drop a comment below telling me if it is the night vision, the parking protection, or the triple coverage that sold you. The Wi-Fi 6 transfers a 200 megabyte video in 5 seconds flat. The 512 gigabyte card stores roughly 10 days of driving before looping. Growing demand is real, and availability on this package does shift. The 70 my 4K T800 3-channel dashcam is not just a camera. It is the evidence layer your driving life has been missing. Drivers who switched describe it as the one upgrade they wish they had made earlier. First link in the description, pinned at the top so you do not have to hunt for it. Stock on the 512 gigabyte bundle moves faster than most people expect. So if the link is live when you read this, that is your moment. Do not overthink it.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.